Hi everyone. Pound here. So today I'm going to discuss some control structures in JavaScript. So let us see what we are going to cover today. So today topics going to cover if else switch loops and nesting and yeah. Let's let's complete line by line. So the first one is the if statement. If statement, it executes the block of code. So it executes this block of code if the condition is true. So it checks 5x is greater than 5. If x is greater than 5, x is equals to 10. 10 is greater than 5? Yes. If the condition is true, then it prints x is greater than 5. And else if and last else statement. Else statement, it executes the block of code if the condition is false. Else is nothing but false. So it executes the false statement. The here I'm taking x1 is equals to 3 and condition if x1 is greater than 5. 3 is greater than 5? No, condition is false. It checks the condition. If the condition is false, then control move to the else block and it prints the else statement. It prints x is not greater than 5. And else if statement, it is used to test multiple conditions. So else if we can write multiple conditions, it checks all the conditions. Like example, I'm taking x2 here, x2 is equal to 7. First it checks the one condition, x2 is greater than 10. x2 is 7. 7 is greater than 10? No, condition is false. Then it's moved to the another condition. Else if, again it checks x2. Sorry, here you need to change x2. x2 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. Yes, condition is true. If the condition is true, it prints else if statement. If I give 10 here or 8, then it checks again 7 is greater than 10. 7 is greater than 10? No. And it checks another condition, 7 is greater than 8? No. If all the condition is false, then it prints else statement. Okay. And then next, nesting. So nesting is nothing but something inside something. So within the inside the if condition, or inside the if, I'm declaring another if, is nothing but nesting, or you can say something inside something. So I'm taking age is equals to 20. It checks the condition. So I'm taking two conditions here. One is in if condition and inside another if condition. So this is outer if condition, this is inner if condition. Okay, outer if condition, age is greater than 18. Checks 20 is greater than 18. Yeah, 20 is greater than 18, condition is true, and it moves to the inner block. So inner block is nothing but this condition. If the condition is true, then it's moved to the inner block. It checks inner block condition. Age 20. 20 is less than 30? No. Yes, 20 is less than 30, correct. Condition is true. If both the condition is true, then it prints you are young. You are young adult. Suppose if I give greater than here, 18 is greater than 13? No, 18 is not greater than 30. If the inner loop is false, then it print first else block. Okay, if outer loop is false, then it prints outer else block. If the inner condition is false, then it executes inner false block. If the outer condition is false, then it executes outer else block. Okay, make sense? Yeah. So actually have a problem with console. That is the reason I'm explaining without opening console terminals. And switch it is used to perform different actions based on different conditions. So it have a single condition, and if you see here I declared fruits apple. So in the switch condition, I pass the fruits variable and it checks all the cases. Okay, it checks case number 1, first case checks this, does it fruits consider apple? No, condition fail. If the condition is fail, then it break this statement and move to the another condition. Okay, what is another condition? Case 2. The case 2 is apple, checks the fruits contains apple. Apple is equals to apple, correct, condition is correct, then it prints log apple. Okay, it checks all the conditions here, all the cases. If all the cases are fail, then it executes this default statement. Okay, unknown fruits. Okay, and then loops are nothing but it repeats the block of code, it repeats the block of code. Okay, so there are 3 types of loops for while and do while loops for now. So first we discuss for loop. It repeats a block of code a specific number of time. It repeats a block of code specific number of time. Take example 5. So I want to execute five times, then I can give I is less than 5, then it prints 0 to 5. So 0, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. You can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it executes 5 times. Like first it checks the first we need to declare initialization. Let I is equals to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. So first I value is 0, 0 is less than 5, condition is true, then print is 0. And next it checks condition, after condition is true, then increment with 1. 0 plus 1, what is the value? Is equals to 1. What is the next I value? I is equals to 1. 1 is less than 5, yes, condition is true, then increment with 2. Okay, it's iterate until condition is false. Example 4 is less than 5, condition is true, then 4 plus 1, it increments with 1, I value is equal to 5. Now I, what is I? 5 is less than 5, no, condition is false, then it breaks the loop. So it executes until condition is true. So it executes until a specific number of times. What is the number? 5. And while it repeats the block of code as long as the condition is true. Until the condition is true, it iterates the loop. It checks the first we need to initialize the value I is equal to 0. While I is less than 5, 0 is less than 5, condition is true, then print 1 and increment with 0 plus 1. Now I value is equals to 2. Sorry, I value is equals to 1. Okay. So 1 is less than 5, condition is true. Again it increments 0 plus 1. Sorry, 1 plus 1. Again it increments with 1 plus 1, and the I value is now 2. 2 is less than 5, condition is true. Again increment with 2 plus 1. What is 2 plus 1? 3. 3 is less than 5, condition true. 3 plus 1, 4. 4. 4 is less than 5, condition true. Again increment with 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So I value is 5. Can check the condition. 5 is less than 5. No, 5 is not less than 5. Condition fails. So if the condition is fails, it breaks the loop. So here the loop is breaking until it prints 0 to 4. And do while it prints the statement at least one time. If you see the definition, it is similar to the while loop. It's same like a while, but it always run the code block. It always run the code at least once before checking the condition. So if you see for loop or while loop, it checks all the every time condition. If the condition is true, it's increment, or it fails the statement. But here do while, it prints at least one time. So let I2 is equal to 0. Do I2, it means it prints 0. It's not checking any condition, so it prints either condition true or false. It prints at least one time. And increment with 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 is less than 5. Yeah, 1 is less than 5, condition is true. Again it checks with 2. 2 is less than 5. Yeah, 3 is less than 5, condition true. Again print. 4 is less than 5, condition true. 5 is less than 5, condition false. Then it exits the loop. Thank you so much.